back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed, and my trout parcels were so popular that today we're going to be making a Chipotle Chicken Parchment Parcel. This is Mexican inspired. It's going to be smothered in Chipotle sauce, the chicken as well as the veggies, and they're going to cook in their own steam. This recipe is absolutely delicious. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, guys. I upload new videos every week. And also ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. This is one of my favorite ways to cook anything. We're going to start with the chicken breasts. I have 4 here. To prepare these breasts, I'm going to remove the chicken tenders. Now, many manufacturers remove this for you and they sell these separately. Once removed, I'm going to slit the chicken on a diagonal. I'm going to be very careful not to cut all the way through, just like a Hasselback potato. Be sure to also check out my Hasselback chicken tikka recipe. I'm going to leave this in the description as well as at the end of this video. I'm going to prep the rest of the breasts and then I'm going to place them in a tray and I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Next, I'm going to add about 3/4 of a cup of chipotle sauce. I'm using a brush and I'm just going to brush it all over the chicken. Now make sure you also get all of that marinade into the slits. I have some thin slices of lime here and I'm just going to stuff them into some of the slits. And once done, I'm going to fish out some of these jalapenos and I'm going to do the same. I have a cup here of cooked corn and I'm going to keep it aside while I work on dicing these 3 small sweet peppers. Once done, I'm just going to get these into the bowl with the corn. I'm also going to slice 4 large mushrooms and keep these aside. I have about 8 asparagus spears here, which I'm going to prepare by just snapping off the woody bottom. We're going to need some large parchment sheets. I've cut about 4 of these and I'm going to fold them in half. To begin making these parchment parcels, grab a sheet, and I like to weigh this down with some cutlery. Start with the corn and peppers. I didn't add any rice to this recipe, but you can totally add rice or even quinoa if you want. Add a carrot, some asparagus, and I'm also going to add a few slices of mushrooms. Now I'm going to add 1 of the uncooked chicken breast and I'm even going to throw in the tender I removed. Add some salt and fresh cracked pepper and I'm going to brush in a little bit more of that sauce. It's now time to seal. Some people prefer to cut this in a heart shape, but I prefer the simpler semicircle method. Fold this over and start folding the package to seal. Now notice that there's a lot of space in between. This is enough room for the steam to build and to cook the chicken and the vegetables. As you get to the end, you're left with a chunk of paper. Now this is when the heart shape would have been really easy to seal, but I'm just going to tuck everything in together and seal it. I'm going to place this on my oven tray till I work on the next one. When the second package is ready, onto the tray it goes and I'm going to work on the next 2. Now you can either cook all 4 packages at once and just reheat them later, or you can stick them in the fridge and cook them when you need to cook them. I have all 4 done now and my preference is to cook them all together and just reheat them when I need them. These are going into a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. Once it's out of the oven, I just like to open the package by cutting it with the scissors and allowing steam to escape. This is delicious and it's ready to put some olé into your meal. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope this put a little bit of olé into your day. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, guys. Do share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. I really hope to hit 50,000 subscribers this year, and I hope that you can help me get there. Also, make sure to follow me on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye. Olé! 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 Olé!